Good day, everyone. I'm Ola May, and welcome back to my channel. Today is another mystery unboxing and unwrapping. And I believe this is from eBay or Mercari. I'll try to remember once I open it where I actually ordered it from. And it was delivered not too long ago, so I wanted to see what's in it. So we're opening it together. I have it taped up pretty good, and I hope I'm not cutting anything. Looks like it's double taped. There we go. Alrighty. Let us see what it is. So I do have a thank you note. I don't want to show the name, but it's stuck on there, so I can't tear it off. But it does say, "Thank you so much for your purchase and supporting a stay-at-home mom. Enjoy your new Dooney." So, oh, that's what it is. Isn't that cute? I hope I didn't show her name. But the paper matches the purse. Well, actually, the bag. That was cute. So, y'all, this is, and it should look very familiar to you all that have seen my Dooney Bourke Chevron multicolored drawstring bag, which actually started off drawstring July. This is the zip around wallet wristlet and the tote to match. So I wish it wasn't folded so much, but at least it has tissue in it and seem to have been packaged pretty well. But I prefer plastic, but it's here, so let's inspect her and see what it looks like. And let's see. I guess I should start with the wallet first since that was already out, huh? Okay, so this is the wallet. See a little spot right there. Can y'all see that? I may be able to get that to rub off or out. But it does have the Dooney Bourke there. Leather zipper pull that looks like it looks appropriate for its age. The inside is not too bad. Just a little cleaning. Looks like she left me a little change inside. 26 cents. Is that a real quarter? It is. So I'll take it. Put it in my piggy bank. So that's not too bad. It just needs to have a little cleaning there where the change is. So it does have, put this down. And this to me is a smaller version of the large zip around wristlet, it looks like. But it has fewer card slots. So it does have a zipper in the back versus in the middle. And a slip pocket in front. Slip pocket opening there in the middle. And then the other side has 1, 2, 3, 4 card slots. But all in all, it's pretty clean. Outside of this little spot here, this looks pretty good. And she did tell me that she sent a message to me. So I believe I got this on eBay. She sent a message to me and said that I was getting a pretty good deal with this bag because I did put in a bid lower than what she was asking, but she mentioned that she paid at least $20 for this charm that she included with the bag that did not originally come with it. So I guess she was making me feel better about what I paid for. And I actually, both of this set together, y'all, it was less than, I know it was under 100. It was less than, I think it was under $80 for this and the bag. If I recall correctly, I have to go back and double check. So, the straps look pretty good. The latch here looks pretty good. So far, so good. Let me check the other strap. A little bit of watermark right there, possibly oil. And she has it stuffed with just plastic bags. So let's look inside. She did mention some oil around the zipper, which I could see in the picture. She said that it possibly could have come from maybe an attempted cleaning of the bag and like some oil seepage or something. So let me see. Nothing's coming off. Oh yeah, this is the part I saw in the picture. So it does look like oil. So I may try to get that out with some Dawn dishwashing liquid or something like that and see if I can get that out, because it's on both sides. So I don't know why someone would want to oil a zipper and knowing that it's attached to fabric, but that is done. Okay, so this has a zipper divider. Looks like that goes all the way to the bottom. On the front side of the bag, it has 2 slip pockets and one with this snap closure here. And then on the back side, it has the zipper and a slip pocket. And the style of this tote is called a Dover tote. So this is my first and only Dover tote. And let's look at the bottom. The bottom looks pretty good as well. Corners not bad at all. So this tote is definitely a great feature for October, especially with it being my first Dover tote. And so now my Chevron multicolor set is complete. I initially was actually thinking about getting the tote instead of the drawstring at first, but I ended up getting the drawstring bag first. But when I saw this and it had the wallet with it, I definitely wanted to put my bid in for it to see if I was able to win, and I did. So let me go get my drawstring bag and put them all in the picture together, and I'll be right back. All right, y'all, I'm back and the gang is all here. So let me try to fit them all together. That is so pretty and colorful. Let's see. I think it's mostly in there. So I think that's a cute picture. I see another spot right there too. That looks like that'll rub off. Yeah, it's coming off already. So I definitely need to do the cleaning process on these two here, but these are all 3 pieces of the Dooney Bourke Chevron multicolored family. the Dover tote, the zip around wristlet, well, wallet. It does have a loop for a wristlet strap, which I can definitely put on there for that, and the drawstring. So starting out October with the Dover tote in the Chevron multicolor, just like drawstring July started out with the Chevron multicolored drawstring bag. So that's it, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And I look forward to seeing you all's totes for October. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And as always, have a wonderful day.